Sup y'all, Double Gang here at Kai, and today me and my homies, what's up? This is one of my homies, Quan Milligan. He's my best friend, very dope, cool people. Hope you die.
What are you wearing?
It's the black,
He's
Sonny from the Badlands. That guy's my man.
black Star Wars.
Sonny's a man.
Oh!
But look at Dennis right now. Look at him. Hold on. Look at him.
I just realized that.
Yeah, look like Star Black.
Look at that belt.
He just needs some props now.
What's your idea for a video? Nice.
Hey, Derwin.
Huh?
I think this is what you call a cosplay.
What? No. We just need some props and some like masks to be all set, right? That's Black Star Wars.
Oh man, give him your bleach mask. That look interesting.
Let's go back inside.
This is real leather.
Okay. So I show up to Min's house. She's in halfway cosplay. He's almost actually almost done, but Min's just in here cooking.
Let me be fat, okay?
What?
Man, where'd you throw your gun?
Closet.
Oh my god.
Why are you
Look at Dennis.
watching for?
Dennis is silent.
But still, every time I see this, it's still disturbing.
Yeah, don't watch it.
Excuse me.
Is this Need for Speed?
No.
It looks like it.
I need y'all to move out the way, please. Thank you.
Are you serious?
That's you.
Dennis. Why?
There's a monster in this game. Y'all
Never mind. Just walk away.
Give me the gun.
Huh?
Give me the gun.
But I'm bringing it.
You're not bringing it.
Why?
What a I just bought this shit.
You don't get in trouble for it. That's an orange tip. Pause.
An orange tip.
Let's go.
Back in the hallway. Oh, right. You,
Everybody back up.
I don't know where you going.
In here or hallway? Hallway? Right here?
How's it going though, Manasala? Like, it's been a while. Like, a while.
Go. Let's not waste time.
Well, how about right here?
Can you see me?
I mean, you're not that black. But Derwin, on the other hand, no, let me stop.
We're gonna hear Brandon piss.
We're going over there.
Camera?
The camera's right here.
What the hell? Is this still recording?
Yeah. Alright, quiet as that.
Brandon, shh. 3, 2, oh shit. 1. Okay. Recording and go.
Sup y'all, Double Gang here at Kai, and I'm dedicating this video to the ice cream shop that's near Boston, Chinatown called Ice Age. It's near T-Do. If you ever stop by, get a chance to stop by in Boston, be sure to check out the place. The ice cream is really dope. The topping is really epic, especially with my favorite childhood snack of all time, egg puffs. So check them out when you get a chance. We'll do it again.
Oh my god. She on the phone?
Topping is off the chain, and they have my favorite childhood snacks called egg puffs. Damn it.
I can't cameo into this.
That looks so creepy. Dennis, pay attention to the corner the whole time.
So guys, guess what? About to go get Manasala. Just about to be awesome. I just hope I don't trip down these stairs for Derwin's freaking video log. What's wrong, guys?
What's wrong with you?
A lot is wrong with me.
So, what's up?
Surviving.
Where are we going? I changed my mind. I don't want gelato anymore. I want bubble tea. Because I was
Well, we're going to tea though.
Okay. I figured since we're like near Chinatown, I was like, why don't we just get bubble tea?
This is gonna be the, what is it called? The icon? No, he knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, the thumbprint.
Is that what it's called, I think? I haven't watched the video because I am afraid.
He was dying laughing when he was watching it. Show her the video. Show her the video.
You have headphones?
I have mine right here. You had to bring it. Why?
Oh, I did.
Why?
Okay, we're done now. We're done.
Yeah, we're
Okay,
done.
let's be out. Let's go to the comments.
Dennis!
He's not gonna pay attention on purpose. Dennis!
Yo, what's the name of the garden over there? The public garden, right?
The garden, yeah.
Yeah,
What are you calling me for? I don't live in
Called
this
you
area.
twice.
Well, we did a photo
I thought I heard you call me.
But we did a photo
First Min did it, then I did it.
Oh my god, guys.
You sounded like a little kid though. That sounds like
The way Min said it, he said Manaslu style.
Dennis!
See, how Min says it is funny though.
The angry thing. Dennis?
Dennis. Oh my god.
What the hell is that?
It's
Man,
gonna become a meme, watch.
bruh.
They're gonna be like, yo, where's Dennis? I'm like, I will not be able to show my face.
Yeah, you will.
Like, oh my god, look at Dennis.
Or just crop out Manaslu's face and paste it on yours. On a picture.
And then she gonna have it like this and my name sprinkling down, just Dennis.
We keep losing people.
Just get
Right?
there.
Like,
They
they
can
know
just.
where we're going.
How can you get lost? It's literally a straight line.
Julie's down here somewhere. Both Julies are down here somewhere. Nairobi's with them, but we gotta go find them. They're in the second park. They're not in this one. They're in that one. So Julieception again. Julieception?
And a dot boat now, kid.
Oh my god. We just got to the second park. We only found a few cosplays, not everybody.
You see any mutual friends that we know? Bruh.
Damn.
Oh man,
No, that's just us.
so everybody's spread.
Yeah, we're pretty much spread out.
I said this earlier.
I don't play man, just say.
New senpai. New senpai.
You didn't give her a chance to finish. You were saying.
Don't. We don't need that.
Someone made me say something like random and dirty. It sounds innocent though. Mari Senpai's frosting is on my cake.
Likes tragic love stories.
That's innocent, but not innocent. Think about it.
That's perfect.
This Sean is dirty by tea.
It's really good.
Yeah, that's. I made people faint before.
Oh, that's scary.
No, like
Wait. What you say again? I just realized that just now.
That was in one of the episodes. I remember. Okay.
Where are we going?
Huh?
Where the fuck are we going?
He said there's like over here somewhere. I spot cosplayers easily. I'm scanning right now. I can find them easily.
Yo, fucking warn me next time.
I haven't been in this park in a long time. Bam, right there. I can see Nairobi too. This is probably gonna become a thing now. So, first packs. Anime Boston. Look familiar. Drink in disguise.
I'm like the herpes of cosplay. Once you catch me once, you never get rid of me.
Bruh. Damn. Oh man. Bars.
It's like we missed her so much. Now she has too much energy.
I'm guessing Manaslu saying low as a top.
I guess so.
Wait.
Oh, damn!
Is she coming or going?
Dennis! Calm down!
Did she short jump you?
Damn!
I mean, she tried to get up here, but she didn't do so well.
What the hell?
oh, no one
What
you
the
don't
hell?
have a girlfriend.
Oh!
Anyway,
Oh, I'm a beautiful person. That's why I get all the ladies.
I don't know what to say anymore. I'm just, ugh. What is happening? What is happening? Why'd you have to bring that up now? Yeah, I can't see right now because I lost my contacts. That's my fault. Dude, I can't even see you right. Stop. Oh, it's so bright right now.
Thanks, Petey.
Yo, I have to be careful not to fall in the water, and yeah, the camera's over water right now.
I'm
Look.
not jumping in this. I can't swim.
Do it.
I think he was asking me.
I know, and he said he was getting hot. How do I feel? Hot.
I'm really, really hot. Not until the record shop. What the hell?
Hope I do not fall, because if I fall, I am screwed, and I have terrible balance right now.
Bieber said he'll catch you when he falls. Justin, where you at?
You can catch me when I fall.
Next con we're at, you're getting more torture.
Oh
Catch me
yeah?
outside.
How about that?
How about no?
You. How about that?
Alright.
Yup.
Wait, what?
The hoes are laughing. Yup.
Okay, photo shoot's done. We're going back to get our stuff.
I need to play.
I need juice or something. I'm still tired from when Julie was chasing me. And something that I saw, yeah, there was a couple. They were sitting there behind the tree as Julie was chasing me. One of the girls' boobs was out. And I saw that, I was like, oh, turn back, run away.
You said titties popped out?
This is when Julie was chasing me, when Min was still gone. Oh, that is bright. Damn, why'd I have to lose my contacts? The wrong moment. Okay, nope, time to get my stuff.
Was it just us then? Okay, we can take pictures of that. Because it was just too crowded before there. It's just, there was no way to take pictures. There's too many people. You know?
We know all of them, so. Oh, excuse me. He really did.
She should have finished that sentence a lot faster.
What
are you eating?
Chicken nuggets.
From where?
McDonald's world.
Can I get one?
Unless I go to Burger King.
Can I get one?
McDonald's.
Come on, I met him today. He's supposed to hold me down.
Damn. Saw that, Tifa. I'm kidding. I didn't see it. Ah! Vlogception. I don't know what's happening. Vlogception. Views are transferring. Okay, I'm getting sick.
What are you doing?
Oh, hello. Oh, perfect. She's Harley Quinn.
Look at these.
Those are perfect.
I took these with this.
And show them one of all three
Man,
too.
look, you gotta see these. What's your vlog channel?
What?
What's your vlog channel?
It's under Olivia Krailo. It's not a fun name, but it's OLIVIAKRAILO.
I want to put a link in the description.
Yeah,
Check it out.
It's great.
Posing for a perfect picture right now. Yeah, just like I said, check out her channel. I'll put the link right there on her face. And a link will be in the... And I'm getting interrupted as I'm giving her a link right in the description. Why? Oh! We run into them as we're coming back.
I was going to hug her, but I'll hug you too, okay?
Hey. And I'm vlogging too, so.
Where are we going to again? Hi, vlog. I don't know.
Oh! In secret. Wait, how did he get? Oh yeah, he brought his brother a drink.
Yeah, by accident.
19, right?
Yeah, he's 19. Bruh.
Dennis!
I don't care. Dennis, you're fat.
What the hell?
You're not Pele.
Nigga Lowe's playing.
Bend it like Beckham. Oh, he did it. Bent it like Beckham.
Almost what?
He bent it like Beckham.
No, more like Messi.
What? Wait, so what do you say now?
This guy, I was waiting for Raul Lou to catch up with us, and as I stopped, he said, hey, beautiful, come over here and show me your skirt. And as a female cosplayer, it sucks, but I'm used to it.
Watch me kick them where it hurts.
Oh, yeah. It happens a lot to female cosplayers. I get it all the time, unfortunately, so I'm used to it by now. I hate it. It's not the first time a guy's cat called me in cosplay.
Okay, so we're cutting through Macy's because we want to avoid everybody outside, so cut straight through and just ignore. Oh, this way. Man, who's that? Oh, damn. Whoa. Powerful. Man, who's that girl?
She wants a cheesecake factory.
She does? Friend? Employee? Huh. Oh, that works. Oh. Excuse me. Ow, that hurt. What? For real?
No, I'm kidding.
He was serious. He was serious.
Nah, your face is like, what? You was like, what? And then all of a sudden you change your head.
He's lying. He's telling the truth.
Not really. He's out my league anyway.
Lies.
I was literally bending over.
How did this happen?
I was literally bending over to wash my hands and all here and felt. And I even gonna. Oh shit.
See the crack.
This is the last match. I would say.
Now he realizes. This is Swag Daddy. I'll put his link in the description down below.
He's new to the channel, kinda. Subscribe, motherfucker. Yeah.
Now I have to censor that.
What's up, guys?
Oh yeah, Julie's still here, so.